Hey, Dan Passarelli here. How you feeling today? So we had a pretty flat market overall today. Had some ups and downs, but closed basically flat. But we had some interesting earnings. We had NXPI come out, and tomorrow we have Visa, we have Google, and a few others, Texas Instruments. So we're really getting some data as to how the economy is doing. You're going to get some more of that Thursday and Friday as well. But what I really want to talk about today is a pretty weird and interesting trade that I got alerted to here in SPX. And I needed a little bit of a tap on the shoulder here from Warwick from the chat room, as a matter of fact. I didn't see this when this first came out. But take a look at this trade right here. So this is 500 of the SPX. And this is from 0 Day Hero. These are all 0 day expiring today options. Bought or sold. We don't really know when it says bid side and it's like pinkish and not deep red. We see that it traded somewhere in the middle of the market, and this one traded somewhere in the middle of the market, and these trade in the middle of the market. So it's hard to tell what they're buying and what they're selling. One thing we know is that there's a position in these 55.90 calls and in these 55.90 puts. So it's got to be either a straddle or synthetic underlying. Okay. So then we go on and we see that some out-of-the-money calls traded and some out-of-the-money puts traded in the same ratio. This is basically a risk reversal. So the only thing that is even remotely logical is that this would have been the synthetic underlying. They bought the calls and sold the puts, and then sold the calls and bought the puts to basically collar that position. Now, it's still an interesting trade because it happened at 11:49 and 20.231 seconds Eastern time. So that's pretty late in the day to be putting on a trade like that. My initial thought is that it was a closing trade, but I saw that at least one of the legs was opening, so this whole thing was probably opened as a package. Why would they be? There's nothing logical that they would be rolling to. So that, I wanted to share that as an interesting trade. It ended up not working out, which is fine. You know, they took a small chance to see if they could shake something loose with this. It was collared. They were fairly protected, not in huge size. And this is one of those trades where when you get to lift up the hood, as they say, take a peek behind the scenes, see what the professional traders are trading. These are the kind of cleverly constructed trades with limited risk that the smartest money is trading. And I wanted to share with you today. Hope that helps. This is Dan Passarelli, Trade Smart.